Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope that you all are good. Okay, so in today's GK class, we are going to talk about some famous women of the world. Okay, um, we are going to talk about women empowerment. Okay, so right now you all can see this picture. Can you all guess it? Whose picture is it? Okay, so let me tell you something about this great lady. She was a brave woman and the Queen of Jhansi. She fought against the British to her last breath during India's first war of independence, which in 1857, and she died in 1858. At the young age of 30 only. We all knows about her. She is Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmi Bai. Okay. Okay. Now let me show you another picture. Can you all identify her? Who was she? Okay. So let me tell you something about her. She was born in London, and her parents was Irish, and she was very much influenced by our Indian culture and civilization. Okay, and she left his country in 1893, and she became a strong supporter of India's freedom struggle. And she had also founded the Home Rule League, and she revived the Theosophical Society also. Do you know her name? She is Annie Besant. Okay. Now, we all knows about her. She was a great lady, and she was born on August 26 in 1910, and she founded Missionaries for Charity in Kolkata in 1950. And basically she worked for poor and sick, orphan and dying people, and she had received Nobel Prize for Peace in 1979. We all knows her as Mother Teresa. Do you know her full name? Do you know her real name? Her real name is Inez Gans Boyazio. Okay, Inez Gans Boyazio. Okay. Okay. Now, in next picture, she was born on 12th May 1820 in Italy. During the Crimean War, she attended the wounded soldiers, and she laid the foundation for professional nursing with establishment of her nursing school at St. Thomas Hospital in London, which was the first secular nursing school in the world. She is Florence Nightingale. Okay, now in this picture you all can see it's a picture of Princess Diana. She was the first wife of Charles, Prince of Wales, and she took a keen interest in serious illness and health related matters like AIDS and leprosy. From 1989, she was president of Great Ormond Street Hospital for Children, and she died in a car crash in 1997. Okay, so these are some very strong women who always motivates us to do something special for our country, for our nation. Okay, not only for our country and nation, for the whole world. Okay, because the whole world is a family. Okay, so by talking about all these great ladies, we had covered exercise 40 of your book. Okay, now on page number 59, exercise 41, we are going to talk about some ancient wonders of the world. We are not talking about India only, we are talking about the wonders of the world. Okay. Okay, look at this picture. It was the lighthouse designed by great architect Sostratus, and its construction started in 2090 BC. Okay, on the island of Phoros in Egypt. Okay, in Egypt it is constructed uh, on the island of Pharos. Okay, and it stood between 450 to 600 feet height, and a fire burned at the top of this lighthouse to mark the harbor's entrance. Okay, do you know its name? The name of this lighthouse is Lighthouse of Alexandria. Okay, okay, now look at this picture. Now this picture is little different from the picture given in your book, but it was a bronze statue of sun god Helios, and do you know the height of this statue? It's 37 meter over the harbor's entrance on the island of Rhodes. Okay, and it was built in 292 BC and measures about the same size as the Statue of Liberty in New York. Do you know the name of this statue? This statue is known as the Colossus of Rhodes. Okay, Colossus of Rhodes. Okay, next look at this picture. It was a huge marble tomb built for Mosul's rich governor, and it stood 41 meter in height, and its base was supported by 36 columns under a stepped pyramid. An earthquake destroyed most of the mausoleum. Okay, so it is damaged little. Okay, in an earthquake, an earthquake has destroyed most of the mausoleum. Okay, do you know the name of this mausoleum? Okay, so the name of this mausoleum is known as the mausoleum as Halicarnassus. Okay, mausoleum at Halicarnassus. Okay, okay, now look at this picture. This is the statue of a king of Greek gods. Okay, it was built about 435 of BC at Olympia, Greece, and the statue stood 13 meter in height. And as you all can see in the picture, the gods' robes and ornaments were made of gold, and the skin was made of ivory. You all can see all these ornaments are made of gold. Okay, and this picture is a picture of a garden. You can see it's a picture of a garden, and the ancient city of Babylon was under the king Nebuchadnezzar II. He was the emperor of the ancient city Babylon at that time in 605 BC, and he planted many exotic plants on a brick terrace, and it was above the ground, 23 meter above the ground, and its outer walls were 80 feet thick and 320 feet height and 56 miles in length. So these special garden of ancient Babylon are known as Hanging Garden of Babylon. Okay, so we have discussed about some ancient wonders of the world here. Okay, so I hope with the given description and pictures you all can complete exercise 40 and 41 of your book, which is given on page number 58 and 59. Okay, so complete both the exercise with the help of this video. Take care of yourself. See you all in the next class. Bye bye.